Okay, today is October 21st, 2017, and right now at 10:30 p.m. we have a temperature of 60 degrees in the foothills of Los Angeles. The relative humidity is 34%, dew point is 32 degrees, and the barometer is way up at 30.13 inches tonight. Yesterday we had a pressure of 30.03 inches. Today we have high pressure being installed. Right here, this is a transmitter-generated high-pressure system, man-made. We can see the descending air. It's creating this ring, which is re-steering this tropical flow right here, and also re-steering the jet stream further north. It's pushed the jet stream quite a bit further north into Oregon and Washington. So yesterday we had a great opportunity for rain. It was very cloudy and a lot of nice cumulonimbus clouds in the skies, but we had chemtrails sprayed very heavily over the tops of this incoming moisture, which is moving right into California. That's all changed today. Here we have a right angle. You can see that. And this flow here is moving right up towards southern and central California, and that's being blocked by this high pressure that has been installed in the last day. Take a look at the infrared map. We can see the descending air right here, this ring. This is that area of high pressure that's been installed. Look at this expanding ring right down here. You can see that actually moving to the south. That's the high pressure descending air at the surface level. Look at this. This is really amazing. Right there, that semicircle. And we see the jet stream has been pushed north. We've got two lows up near Alaska right here and here, two of them. Both have right angles. We'll take a look at that. Okay. And of course, Hawaii is a U.S. asset. This is being protected. We've got thunderstorm activity moving eastbound. And of course, we've got high pressure right here protecting the Hawaiian Islands once again. We've got a mid and upper level low right here, which is being separated right here where the pen is by an area of high pressure, which is separating this tropical flow from wrapping back around into that vortex. It's preventing this moisture from feeding that vortex. Let's take a look at the rainbow map. Again, we can see that right here. Big channel of separating this flow pattern. This is being isolated purposely. There's no rotation either in that low, that mid and upper level low. Here's the western U.S. water vapor loop. You can see that mid and upper level low. Not much rotation left. This is being squashed. Has much less rotation than yesterday's video. We can see right here where the transmitter is separated this moisture field from wrapping into that low. Let's take a look at the rainbow map. Right here we can see that channel separating that flow pattern. And this flow pattern here is being blocked, as I mentioned, by this area of high pressure which has been installed. Everything here is having to turn back down to the southeast. If you look at the Doppler map, right here we can see that Portland, Seattle, and Spokane are all getting rain, but these ground-based NEXRAD microwave transmitters are breaking up, chopping up the rain pattern. Let's take a closer look here by Missoula. Right here we can see the effect that these microwave transmitters have on the rain pattern at the ground level. Everything is being chopped up. There's a transmitter right here. If we triangulate, these lines all converge right about here. These are known Doppler radars. They are dual function. They are marketed as severe weather detection radars, but they work dual function. The public doesn't get to see these maps on TV because we have cartoon weather. Notice what's happening here near Spokane. This is all chopped up. Look at here. This is all chopped up. And same with Seattle, Washington, right over here. You can zoom in and take a look at that. There's a Doppler radar right here on, I think it's Kamano Island, right there. These microwave Dopplers heat the atmosphere. They evaporate the rain. We can see that very clearly. This is all being covered up by the nightly weather reports. These stooges, these useful idiots reporting our weather, are facilitating a cover-up. They're part of the cover-up process. Look at here, Portland, Oregon, same thing. Look at this. All this heavy rain has been chopped up. Of course, California doesn't get much of anything. California is pretty dry at all times. We had the best opportunity for rain yesterday. That jet stream flow was moving right in, and there's just nothing because there was so much chemtrail spraying. Chemtrails stop the rain down here in Central and Southern California. Not so much up here in the northern latitudes, that they don't work that well. Okay, let's take a look at the Alaskan map. These two lows right here and here have right angles. We can see those right there. So there's a transmitter working on both of these lows. We've got a pinwheel pattern. These are sort of rotating around another low, which is centered right about here on the western side of Alaska. And these are sort of moving around this low right here. So these are being worked on to prevent these from intensifying and getting back into that low pressure right there. Let's take a look at the rainbow map. We can see these. We can see those right angles right there, right here and here. So we've got microwave transmitters heating the centers of these lows. That will prevent the rotation and separate the this frontal system right here. We can see that right angle that separates, splits it off from the center of the low, which is right here. Very effective. Okay, so that's pretty much the report. We just have day after day really good evidence of weather manipulation, and these stooges on TV are not reporting this. The integrity of these people is in the trash can. And they smile and grin and joke while they give us this cartoon baloney, this BS weather. Never mention the chemtrails. Chemtrails are instrumental in stopping the rain here in Southern California, and these people, they ignore that. Treat people like us like we're conspiracy theorists. No, we're not. This stuff has been proven. The pattern is tried and true. Chemtrails stop the rain. And they're always sprayed ahead of these approaching moisture fields. Every time. Okay. All right, well, that's it. We'll do another update here real soon.